Hello little chess champs. Today we will learn how to start a game. Keep right away and avoid a quick mistake that ends in checkmate. Let's dive into two chess stories, one about smart moves and another about a tricky trap. So we'll start with story 1. So correct opening play. So here how they set up the strong game setups. Let's move the first move. White plays e2 to e4 and black play e7 to e5. So now the question is, what happened when pawns moves to the center? They control the middle and open path for queen and bishop. So second move, white to play knight g1 to f3 and black plays knight b8 to c6. So what is the challenge now? So which pawn is white knight is attacking? Yeah, e5 pawn. So black knight defend it and add control over d4. Then white to play bishop f1 to c4 and black plays bishop f5 to c5. So what is the fun fact in this? So why the f7 pawn is so special? It is the weakest spot defended only by black king. Now white to move, white castles now, king side castles. Then black play knight g8 to f6. So what is the activity now? So white king is now safe. So which piece can black use next to attack? Next to attack is e4. e4 can able to attack, right? So the knight is on f6, so it can attack e4. So what white is going to replay? So white knight is on b1, it is coming into c3. So right now the black move is going to castle, king side castle. So what is the tip now? Why does white bring the knight into the game? It helps to control the important center squares and it support e4. Then white to play, so white is taking into d2 to d3, so black plays d7 to d6. Think about it. Why do both players moving their pawns? To protect their center pawns and make room for bishop. So this is one story and we will talk about the another quick checkmate. Sometimes it's called oopsie mat. So that will be the story 2. Let's see how careless start can lead to a very fast checkmate. So white is going to play with f2 to f3, f2 to f3. Then black replay with e7 to e5. So the question is, what's wrong with white move? It is weaken the king's safety and block knight on g1. It blocks, right? Then white replay with g2 to g4. So guess what? Black is going to move d8 to h4. Now spot the checkmate. Can white king escape? No. The king is trapped because the pawn block its path and queen deliver checkmate. So this is very fast to move checkmate. Maybe we can call is oopsie mate, quick checkmate, any other name. So this is happened within 2 moves, right? The second move of black, it is doing checkmate. So what is the key lessons from these stories? Control the center. Like building a strong foundation of your house. Bring your team to the game. Develop knight and bishop early. Keep your king safe. Think before moving pawns. Don't leave your king exposed by moving pawn carelessly. Now challenge for you. Practice the correct opening with a friend. Try setting up oopsie mate on your chessboard and explain to someone how it happened. Share these lessons with your family and challenge them to avoid oopsie mate. That's all. Little Chess Champs Foundation of Chess course. It is completed now, so you know the rules of chess. So you can able to start to play chess. All the very best. Thank you very much.